Ring structure of sucrose. A sucrose molecule is composed of alpha glucose and beta fructose units. Means sucrose has two monosaccharide units. One is glucose, another one is fructose. In sucrose, alpha glucose, this glucose is bonded by C1 carbon with the C2 carbon of beta fructose by oxygen, that is called a glycosidic linkage. This type of bond is called a glycosidic linkage. This is glucose molecule. It is bonded with fructose molecule at C1 carbon, and fructose is bonded by C2 carbon by oxygen linkage, that is called a glycosidic linkage. Ring structure of maltose molecule. Maltose is made up of two glucose unit molecules. It composed of two alpha D glucose molecules, in which C1 of one glucose is linked with C4 of another glucose unit, again through a glycosidic linkage. So this is the structure of maltose. This structure you have to practice, you have to draw by glycosidic linkage. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are the carbohydrates which give a large number of monosaccharides molecules on hydrolysis: starch, cellulose, glycogen. These are the examples of polysaccharides. Starch is the fundamental unit of alpha D glucose. In starch, the basic unit is alpha D glucose. It is a polymer of glucose and contains two components: amylose and amylopectin. Amylose is a long branched chain with 200 to 1000 alpha D glucose units. So ये एक लंबी चेन है जिसमें अनब्रांच चेन, इसमें 200 से लेके 1000 तक अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज यूनिट्स ज्वाइंट हैं बाय C4 and C1 linkage, glycosidic linkage. You can see that in amylose, the monomer units are joined by the monomer units are joined by glycosidic linkage. Glycoside linkage by C1 of the carbon and C4 of the another glucose unit. Amylopectin, it is a branch chain polymer of alpha D glucose units in which the chain is formed by C1 and C4 glycosidic linkage. Now branching occurs because it is a branch chain polymer. So branching occurs by C1 and C6. C1 and C6 again through glycosidic linkage. C1 and C6 again through glycosidic linkage. Therefore, we can study polysaccharides. You have to practice these structures. By practicing these structures, you will be able to draw it without any error. So we have just studied reactions of glucose, 6 reactions of glucose, then cyclic structure of fructose, then invert sugar. What is inversion of sugar? After that, structure of maltose, structure of amylose, and structure of amylopectin.